We will continue our last topic. Okay, so we have started this question, and some questions we have already completed. Just give me a minute. Okay, so we were doing this question. Okay, we will continue this one. Okay, so the first one we have completed. I guess second also we have started. Now third is similar to the second and the third. Third is similar to the second one. We will do the fourth part. Okay. Now please try to solve this fourth part. Tan inverse cos 6 minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. And please let me know if anyone have a doubt in the assignment. I hope everyone have got the assignment. And if there is any doubt, then please let me know. Okay, then I will help you in this one, the fourth one. Please check here. So in the starting, you have the tan inverse, and here you have a cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. Okay, so you already know that in place of this part, in place of this, we need tan x. Okay, anyone have an idea that how in place of this we will get a tan x? I guess there is a similar question in class 11th in Trigo. So anyone can tell me, Noma, can you tell me how we will get a tan here? Okay, no issue. I will give you a hint. Okay, who can tell me the formula of tan A plus B? You can, Atif. Atif, what's the formula of tan A plus B?
Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B.
Very good. Tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay. And the same formula is for negative. If we will put a negative here, and the formula will become tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Okay, we will get this formula. Okay, now in place of this part, we need tan. So please check here. Tan pi by 4 minus x. So as per the same above formula, what we will get tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Okay, so this is equal to 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Okay, I hope everyone understood this. That tan pi by 4 value is 1. That's why we will get this expression. Okay, so 10 pi by 4 minus x is this one. Now can anyone tell me that in place of this expression, in place of this complete expression, how can we get this one? 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Any idea? Atif, Josefa, Saf, Noma, any idea?
Write tan x in terms of sin x and cos x.
Yes, that's correct. We can write this in terms of sine and cos, and definitely we will get this value, but we need to change this form into tan form, this form into 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x.
Divided by cos x.
Divide by cos x. Very, very good. Okay. So everyone, please check here this fourth part. Okay, but before that, please tell me who has not completed the homework. Atif, you have done the homework, the last segment. I guess you are having your exams right now.
Sorry, sir, can you repeat what you asked?
Yeah, I'm saying that you have completed the homework of inverse trigonometric functions. No.
So the questions that you gave or the assignment?
I guess I have given the questions from assignment only. There's a single assignment, and I have given the question from that.
Yes, sir. The assignment, which all questions did I tell you to do? Can you repeat that?
I guess from question number 1 to 4.
Yes, sir. I did half of. I did from. I did 1 and 2.
Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, no issue. Your exam has been completed. Still, they are going on.
It has been completed, sir.
Completed. Okay, then please complete this homework tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and Josefa, you have completed the homework. Um, you can send me a message on the chat box. No, any reason you have your exams? Okay, okay, Josefa. No, no issue. Seth, you have completed the homework.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any doubt? Okay, Josefa, very good. Okay, Seth, any doubt in the assignments?
No.
Okay, very good. And you have shared the homework, Seth?
Yes.
Okay, okay, good. Noma, you have completed the homework? Which shows subscription expired. Okay, okay, Noma, I will talk to them. Okay. Okay, answer 4. Okay, so Atif has already given this hint that we can divide this expression with cos. So we will get what? Cos x minus sin x. Okay, divide this with cos, and here we have a cos x plus sin x, and here we have a cos x. Okay, so what you will get? Tan inverse 1. Okay, we will divide this. So we will separate this part. So you will get cos x by cos x minus sin x by cos x. Okay, and here in the denominator, you will get what? Cos x by cos x plus sin x by cos x. Okay, now what we will get here? Tan inverse. Okay, cos by cos is 1, sin by cos is tan 1 plus tan x. Now, in place of this 1, we can write tan pi by 4. Okay, tan pi by 4 is tan 45 degree. That's why we will get a 1 minus tan x by tan pi by 4 plus tan x. Okay, so here we will get tan inverse. And what is this? This will be tan pi by 4 minus x. So tan inverse tan is pi by 4 minus x. This is clear to all of you. Please raise your hands. Atif, Zephyr, Saf, Noma. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, good, Noma. Zephyr and Atif, this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Zephyr, this clear? How did the last step become 10 pi by 4? Okay, okay. Uh, Josefa, please check here. We have this formula that tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Okay. So if you will check this one, tan pi by 4 minus x, we will put this formula, then we will get tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Okay. So Josefa, now is it clear that in place of this tan you can write 1, and in place of this 1 you can write tan pi by 4. Then you will get the same expression, Josefa. Okay, very good. So all of you please note down this and then raise your hand once it is done. Then we will start the next question. Okay, so no one has raised their hand, so I guess everyone has completed this. So we will start the next one. Noma, I have discussed with the team. Okay, they will share the assignment on the WhatsApp group. Okay, so you can do the questions from there. Okay, and one more thing, we have created a WhatsApp group. So if anyone have a query like this, not able to download the assignments, okay, then you can message on that too. Next is question based on substitution. Okay, so please check here. If in a question you will get this expression a square plus x square. If you will get this expression a square plus x square, then in that case, You need to substitute this one. X is equal to a tan theta and x is equal to a cot theta. Okay, what is the logic behind this? I will tell you. Who can tell me this formula? 1 plus tan square theta. Who can tell me the formula? These are the three basic identities you have done in class 10th.
Sec
So,
square.
Sec square theta. Okay, then we have this identity sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1. Then we have this identity 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Okay, now please check here. If you have 1 plus tan square theta, then your formula is sec square theta. If you have this expression a square plus x square, then in that case, in place of x, you can put this value, x is equal to a tan theta or x is equal to k cot theta. Okay, what is the advantage of this? You will get this one, a square plus what is x? A tan theta whole square. So you will get a square plus a square tan square theta. You can take a square common, so you will get 1 plus tan square theta, and in place of this 1 plus tan square theta, you can put this value sec square theta. Okay, so if you have this expression a square plus x square, then you can put this value x is equal to a tan theta or x is equal to a cot theta. Okay, now so we'll check the second expression. Now second is a square minus x square. Okay, then we have this expression sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1. So if you will move this sine or cos to the right side, then you will get this cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, now if you have this expression a square minus x square, then in place of x, you can put this value a sine theta or a cos theta. So you will get a square minus a square sine square theta. Then take out a square common, 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, 1 minus sine square is, you know this is cos square theta. So if in a question you have this expression a square minus x square, then it's your choice. You can put x is equal to a sine theta and x is equal to a cos theta. I hope from this example, this is clear to you that why we will put a sine theta or cos theta. Now suppose in place of this a square minus x square, in place of this, if you will put a tan theta, then what will happen? You will get a square minus a square tan square theta, and you will take out a square common, so you will get 1 minus tan square theta, and further we can't solve this. We don't have any formula for 1 minus tan square theta. Okay, so please remember, if you have a square minus x square, then please put x is equal to a sine theta or x is equal to a cos theta. If you have a square plus x square, then please put a tan theta or cot theta. Now x square minus a square, in case of this one, x square minus a square, you can put this value sec theta and cosec theta. Why is it so? Please check this expression. You have 1 plus tan square theta, and this is equal to sec square theta. Shift this 1 to the right side, so you will get what? Tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Now check this expression. You have x square minus a square. In place of x, if you will put this value a sec theta, then what you will get? A sec theta whole square minus a square. So this will become a squared sec square theta minus a square. So take out a square common, so you will get sec square theta minus 1, and in place of sec square theta minus 1, you can put this value tan square theta. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Okay, so please note down this and raise your hand. I will just give you 1 minute for this. Okay, all of you, please note down this and confirm me, then we will start the questions on the basis of this topic. Okay, Atif, very good. Josefa, Saf, and Omar, please confirm if it is done. Okay, Saf, very good. Josefa and Omar. Josefa and Noma, this is done. Okay, Noma, good. Okay, Josefa, very good. Next, we will start. Okay, so we have some more expressions. Okay, so please check here if you have a minus x by a plus x. Okay, now in case of a square, we have the basic identities. Okay, we have the three trigonometric identities in case of a square. We know that this is sine square theta plus cos square theta. And similarly, in the other two identities also you have a square. Now, here we have under root a minus x by a plus x. So here we don't have a square. That's why we can't put these identities. Okay, so what we can do, we have this formula. Who can tell me this formula? 1 plus cos 2 theta. Who can tell me this formula? Noma, what's the formula for this one? 1 plus cos 2 theta. We have done some questions on the basis of this formula in the last class. Very good. Now, this is 2 cos square theta. Okay, and similarly 1 minus cos 2 theta. What is the formula? It is 2 sin square theta. So we have these two formulas. Now what we can do, we can't put x is equal to a tan theta, sec theta or cos theta, okay, because we don't have any further formula, but we have this formula. That's why in place of x, whenever you have a minus x and a plus x, there is no square over here, then you can put this formula 1 plus cos 2 theta. So in this cases, always please put a cos 2 theta. Okay, I know that you might not be able to understand this, but please note down this one, and whenever we will start the questions, then this will be clear to you. Okay, now if we have a under root of a square minus x square by a square plus x square, then what is the problem here? If we will put, for example, in the numerator, if you will check, then we have this expression. If you will check the denominator, then we have this expression. Okay, so we can't use a sine theta and we can't use a tan theta, because a square minus x square by a square plus x square, both the expressions are there in the numerator and the denominator. Okay, so in such a case, we will again put a square cos 2 theta. What's the advantage of this? A square we can take common, and then we can put the formula 1 minus cos 2 theta. Okay, so all of you please note down these two expressions also. Then we will check the questions on the basis of this. Okay, so please note down this, raise your hands, then we will start the questions. Okay, Noma. Okay, Atif. Josefa and Seth, please confirm if it is done. Josefa and Seth, shall we start next?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Josefa, shall we start next one? Okay, good. Next is this one. We need to write in this simplest form. Okay, tan square x by under root of a square minus x square. Then who can tell me? Seth. Seth, can you tell me in place of x what value we can put? Please check the previous table. Seth, can you tell me in place of x what we can put?
A tan theta.
Not a tan theta. Please check the expression. In the denominator, you have a square minus x square. You can tell me, Noma, can you tell me in place of x what ratio can we put? Very, very good, Noma. So Noma has given this answer. Let this be 1. Put x is equal to a sine theta in first. Okay, now please check here. If you will put this value, then you will get what? Tan inverse. This is a sine theta by under root a square minus, in place of x we have sine theta whole square. Then here what we will get tan inverse. Okay, here we have a sine theta by under root, and here we will get a square minus a square sine square theta. So this is equal to tan inverse. Here we have a sine theta. Okay, and from this under root, if we will take a square common, then outside the root we will get a. So here we will get under root 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, now a will cancel out. Then who can tell me, Josefa? Josefa, what is this under root 1 minus sine square theta? Josefa, in the denominator, this under root, okay, Josefa, please tell me what is 1 minus sine square theta? Apply the basic identity, sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. So what we will get in the denominator, Josefa? Very good. So we will get a cos square theta. Cos square theta. Now this is equal to tan inverse. Okay, and this is sine. And in the denominator, we will get what? Cos theta, because there is under root. Now sine by cos is tan. So here we will get tan inverse, and here we will get a tan theta. So the final answer will be theta. Okay. So I hope this is clear to everyone. So please note down this and then try this second part. Okay. And let me know if anyone have a doubt in this one. Everyone, please. Okay, Atif, you have completed this. Very good. So, Atif, can you tell me in the second part, in place of x, what value can we put?
A cos 2 theta.
A cos 2 theta. Very good. So, Atif, what the final answer you are getting? Atif, what the final answer you are getting for this one, for the second one?
1 minute.
Okay, okay. So, Noma, Saf, and Josefa, I guess this is clear to everyone that in place of x, you need to put a cos 2 theta. Okay. You can even put a cos theta, that's fine. Or you can put a cos 2 theta. Now, please put this value of x in this expression. Take out a common, put the formula, and then finally tell me the answer. Rishan, you have joined after many days. I'm not sure that you are in this batch or not. This is the fourth chapter we are doing. So, are you still there in this batch? All of you, please do it fast because we need to complete this chapter till tomorrow. Okay. And you're getting theta, Noma. Very good. Noma, very good. Then please put the value of theta because the question is in the form of a minus x. Okay. So we have assumed this one. Okay, okay. I'm sorry. I just missed this part in this question. Here we finally get a theta. Next, here we need to put the value of theta. So theta value we will find from here. We have this x is equal to a sine theta. So we can write a sine theta is equal to x. Okay. Then shift this a to the right side. So you will get sine theta is equal to x by a. And then finally, you can write theta is equal to sine inverse x by. So in place of this theta, we will finally write sine inverse x by a. Sorry, I missed this in the last question. Now the same thing you need to apply here in the second one. So please tell me the answer in terms of x, a, and cos inverse. Okay. So Saf, Atif, and Noma has completed this. Now please just write this answer in form of x, a, and cos and cos inverse. Okay. And Josefa, please share your answer if this is done. Or if you have any doubt, then please let me know. And one more thing, in your summer vacation, I want to take some extra classes in the morning. So Atif, Josefa, and Saf, Noma, when your summer vacation is getting started?
From July onwards, sir.
1st July. And 1st July to?
And 29th of August.
29th of August. Okay. And what about Atif and Josefa? Mm, okay,
Then,
no.
so summer vacation starting from July 3rd.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, Noma. No issue, Noma. I will try to find some solution. Okay. Okay, so I hope everyone has done this. So you will get this a cos 2 theta is equal to x. Okay. and here we will get cos 2 theta is equal to x by a, and from here 2 theta will be equal to cos inverse x by a, and this 2 will be shift to this side, so you will get 1 by 2 cos inverse x by a. So this will be the final answer. Okay, so very good, Atif, your answer is correct. Saf and Noma, please confirm me, are you getting the same answer, 1 by 2 cos inverse x by a? Very good, Noma.
Yes, sir.
Saf, okay. Josefa, this is completed or any doubt in this one? In the second question? Done. Very, very good, Josefa. Next, please try this sine inverse x by under root of x squared plus a squared. Okay, so please check that table and check what value you can put here. So everyone, please message me on the chat box at what value we have to put over here. Very good, Atif. This is correct. Please continue this question. And Zephyr, Saf, and Noma, will you please tell me what in place of x we can put here? Very good, Noma. This is correct. Very good, Saf. Correct. Zephyr, what value we can put here in place of x? No, Zephyr. Please check here. So, Zephyr, here we have only under root of x squared plus a squared. Okay. So what we can do, if you will check the previous expression, then check here. We have this expression. Okay, in this case, in the numerator and denominator we have the same term, and only there is a difference in the sign. So we will check for the first one. Okay, so here what we will do, we will put x is equal to a tan theta. Okay, so everyone please put this and share your answer. Very good, Atif. This is correct. All of you, please share your answer if this is completed. Is it done? Very good, sir. This is correct. Noma and Josefa, this is completed. Noma and Josefa, this is done, or you need help in this question? Noma and Josefa, this is completed. Okay, so please check here if anyone have a doubt. Put x is equal to tan theta. So what you will get here? Sine inverse. X is what? A tan theta. In the denominator, what you will get? X square means a square tan square theta plus a square. So this is equal to sine inverse. This is a tan theta by here. Take out this a square common. 1 plus tan square theta. This is equal to sine inverse. Here we have a tan theta. Okay. From this under root, we will get a 1 plus tan square is under root sec square theta. And this is equal to sine inverse a tan theta by a. This is sec theta. This a is cancelled out. Tan is what? Sine by cos. You can write here sine inverse. Tan is sine theta by cos theta into 1 by cos theta. So cos will get cancelled out. So you will finally get sine inverse sine theta. Final answer is theta. And what the theta value you will get from here? You will get a tan theta is equal to x. So tan theta is equal to x by a. So theta is equal to tan inverse x by. Okay. So here we can put tan inverse x by. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Please note down this, then we will start the next question. Everyone, please raise your hands. If this is done, then we will start the next question. Okay, Noma, very good. Okay, Atif. Okay, Josefa and Saf, please confirm if it is done. Okay, Saf, good. Josefa, shall we start next? Okay, very good. Now next one. Next question is, okay, we need to prove this one. This is equal to pi by 4 plus x by 2. So please check here, how can we prove this question? This is tan inverse. Okay, here in the bracket, we already have the trigonometric ratio, so there is no need to substitute anything here. Okay, if you will check the previous question, then in the previous question, you don't have a trigonometric ratio inside the bracket. That's why we have put in place of x a trigonometric ratio. If you will check this question, then in the bracket, we already have a trigonometric ratio. That's why we will simplify this directly. Now, this question is from Saf. Saf, can you tell me what is the formula of 1 plus cos x? Saf, what is the formula of 1 plus cos x?
Sin x.
No, not sin x. No, no, no. Who can tell me this? Noma, can you tell me what is the formula of 1 plus cos x? Noma, what we very good. 2 cos square. Okay, 2 cos square x by 2, and this is 2 sin square x by 2. So we have already used these two formulas. Now the same formula we will put here. So inside this 1 plus cos x, we can put 2 cos square x by 2, plus inside this 1 minus cos x, we can put 2 sin square x by 2 by under root 1 plus cos x, we will put 2 cos square x by 2 minus under root 2 sin square. Here we can put 2 sin square x by 2. This is equal to tan inverse, and here we will get what? Under root 2, and this will give us cos x by 2 plus under root 2. Here we will get sin x by 2. In the denominator, we have a under root 2, and here we have a cos x by 2 minus under root 2, and here we have a sin x by 2. Now take this is equal to tan inverse. Okay, so you can take out this root 2 common from the numerator, and here you will get a cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. In the denominator, you will again take under root common. You have a cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. This root 2 will get cancelled out. So finally, you will get tan inverse. Here we will get what? Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. And in here we will get cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Now the next question is from Josefa. Josefa, can you tell me that in place of this expression, cos x by 2, in place of this complete expression, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, how we will get expression in terms of tan? Can you tell me, Josefa? Josefa, how we will get a tan here? No issue. Who can? No issues. If I will explain this to you. Okay. Noma, can you tell me in place of cos plus sine by cos minus sine, how we will get a tan? We have already done this divide by cos. Very, very good, Noma. That is correct. So let this be 1. Okay. Divide 1 by divide 1 by cos x by 2. So what we will get here? Divide numerator and denominator. Okay. Divide numerator and denominator by cos x by 2. So what you will get here, tan inverse, this is equal to cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, okay, by cos x by 2, and here you will get cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. So you will get what? Tan inverse. Okay. So this cos by cos is 1, plus here you will get a tan x by 2. In the denominator, you will get 1 minus tan x by 2. We have already done this part. Now in place of 1, what you can do, you can write 10 pi by 4. So here you can write 10 pi by 4 plus tan x by 2. In the denominator, this is 1. Here you can write 10 pi by 4 and tan x by 2. So this will give you what? Tan inverse. In the bracket, what is this? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. We have already done the same type of question before. So this will give you pi by 4 plus x by 2. And this will give you pi by 4 plus x by 2. Okay. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Please note down this, confirm me, then we will start a next question. Everyone, please raise your hands once it is done. Okay, Atif, very good. Josefa, Saf, Noma, please confirm if it is done. Saf and Noma, this is done. Shall we start next? Okay, Noma, very good. Saf, this done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, good. Now next one. Okay, so we have this question. You need to try this on your own, but who can tell me? Saf, can you tell me in place of x what value we can put? Or anyone? Atif, Noma, can you tell me in place of x what value we can put? Noma, very good, Noma. This is correct. Very good. So Noma, please start this question. Okay. And let me know once it is completed. Okay, Atif and Saf, any idea in place of x what value we can put here?
No.
No? Okay, so we will check our table. This one. Okay, if we will check, please see a plus x and a minus x, then we need to put a cos 2 theta. Okay, so this question is of same type.
So instead of a, they have replaced it by root 1 plus x.
In place of a, just yes, in place of a, they have given 1. Okay, so there's no need to put a in this question. We don't have a, so we will not put a in place of a, we will put 1 here. Okay, so Noma, you have to tell this answer correctly, but in place of x, you need to put cos 2 theta, because in place of a, you have a 1. No issue, Zephyr. We have just started this question, Zephyr. Okay, so in place of x, please put this cos 2 theta and try to solve this question. Okay, Josefa, you have done the previous question. Okay, very good. Then Josefa, please start this one. And in place of x, please put x is equal to cos 2 theta. Why cos 2 theta, Noma? You have already given me this answer. So normally, if we have this expression, please check here. If we have this expression a plus x, then what we put in place of x? A cos 2 theta. Okay. But if we will check this question, then in place of a, we have a 1. In place of this a, we have a 1 now. Then what we will do in place of a, we will put 1. So x is equal to cos 2 theta you need to put. So everyone please put this value in this question and let me know once it is completed.
Sir, but in the case of root a plus x by a minus x only, we should put cos 2 theta, right?
In case of,
In case of root a plus x by a minus x only, we should put the cos 2 theta, right?
okay, try to understand the logic behind this. If we have this expression, then we can't put a sine theta. Okay, we can't put tan theta because there is no square. That identity will not form. Okay, that's why in such a cases we will always put x is equal to a cos theta, so that we will get this expression a plus a cos theta by a minus cos theta. Now, what's the advantage? Here we can put this formula 1 plus cos theta. Okay. In trigonometry, only in these two cases we can put the formula directly. 1 plus cos 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay, so why we are putting cos theta? Because in cos only we have this formula 1 plus cos and 1 by cos. Okay, now Atif, please check here. So in this expression also, this is of the same type, like this. Why we need to put in place of x cos theta? So that we can put this formula finally. In place of x, if you will put suppose sine square theta, suppose tan square theta, then further we can't solve this one. If you will put, for example, tan square theta, then this part is okay. But that tan inverse theta will create a problem for this expression. So in place of x, we need to put a value so that we will get these two formulas. Is clear, Atif? So it is
Yes.
not only that, only in case of under root a plus x by a minus x, we will put this. No. In the expression, if we have this one, a plus x, a minus x, then we will put this value. Okay. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Please continue this and share your answer once it is, and let me know once it is complete. Okay, Atif, very good. Huzaifa, Saf, and Omar, please let me know once it is done. Or if you have any doubt in this, then please tell me. Very good, Saf. In place of theta, Saf, now put the value from here. Okay, so what you will get, cos 2 theta is equal to x. So 2 theta is equal to cos inverse x. So theta is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse x. So in place of theta, please put this value. Okay, so Saf and Atif has completed. Noma and Huzefa, please confirm if it is done, or let me know if you have any doubt in this. Huzefa and Noma, this is done. Shall we start next? Noma, you should get pi by 4 minus, okay, because there is a minus in the numerator. Getting wrong answer. Okay, I will solve this. Huzefa, this is done. Huzefa, this is done. Please check here. Put x is equal to, okay, x is equal to cos 2 theta. So you will get tan inverse under root 1 plus cos 2 theta minus under root 1 minus cos 2 theta by under root 1 plus cos 2 theta, and here we have under root 1 minus cos 2 theta. So this we will get what, tan inverse, okay, and here 1 plus cos 2 theta means 2 cos square theta, and here we have minus under root 2 sin square theta, and the denominator we have under root 2 cos square theta, plus here under root we have 2 sin square theta. This is equal to tan inverse. Here we have under root 2 cos theta minus under root 2 sin theta. Here we have under root 2 cos theta plus under root 2 sine theta. So from this you will get what? I will write here. This is equal to tan inverse. Root 2 will get cancelled out. So finally you will get cos theta minus sine theta by cos theta plus sine theta. Okay. Now this is equal to tan inverse. Again, Noma, you will divide this with cos. So what you will get 1 minus tan by 1 plus tan. Okay. Then you need to write tan pi by 4 here. So finally you will get this one. Tan pi by 4 minus theta. This will give you what? Pi by 4 minus theta. In place of theta, you can put this value. So what you will get here? Pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x. This clear, Noma? Okay, so Noma, shall we start next? Or you need to note down this? Okay. Okay, Noma, please let me know once it is done. Okay, Noma, very good. The next one. Okay, then we have this question. Okay, so who can tell me how can we solve this one? Okay, please tell me in place of x, what we can put here. In place, first of all, please decide that in place of x, what value we can put. Everyone, please message me or unmute yourself. No, Noma, this is not correct. No.
So tan theta.
Very good. Okay, please check here. In the under root, you have 1 plus x square form. Okay, you have 1 plus x square form. That's why we will put x is equal to tan theta. And a is not there in the question. That's why we will not put a here. Noma, please check here if inside this bracket, if you will put 1 plus this one cos 2 theta. Okay, then there will not be any advantage because no formula is. So everyone, please put this formula x is equal to tan theta. Try to solve this question and let me know once it is done. Everyone, please confirm me, okay, once it is completed. Okay, Saf, so you are getting theta for this. So 1 plus tan sec 1 minus cos. Uh, Saf, this should be equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x. Will you please check this, Saf? 1 by 2 is missing in your answer. Okay. And you are getting 0, Noma? Okay, let me solve this. And everyone, please let me know what answer you are getting here. So for this one, put x is equal to tan theta. Okay, so what you will get, tan inverse under root 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 by tan theta. This is equal to tan inverse. Okay, inside this under root 1 plus tan square, what you will get, sec square theta. So finally this will give you sec theta minus 1 by tan theta. Okay, now change this into sine and cos form. So you will get what, tan inverse. What is sec? You will get 1 by cos minus 1 by sine by cos. So here what you will get, tan inverse 1 minus cos, okay, by cos, and this one sine by cos. This cos theta will get cancelled out. So finally you will get what, tan inverse 1 minus cos by sine theta. Okay, Noma, very good. So this will give you what, tan inverse 1 minus cos is what, 2 sine square theta by 2. And this sine theta, this can be written as 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay. Now here 2 will get cancelled out. Sine will get cancelled out. So you will get tan inverse tan theta by 2. So this will give you theta by 2. Okay, Saf. So you missed this 1 by 2, Saf. In place of theta, we can write tan inverse x. Okay. So Noma and Saf, you have completed. Atif and Josefa, this is clear.
Yes.
Okay, good. Josefa, this is done. Josefa, very good. So I'm going to start next question or
Wait a
next
sec.
Okay. Then please let me know once it is complete. Josefa, shall we start next? Okay, good. Next is the property. Okay. Next property is sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. We will do the proof of this. Okay. Let sine inverse x is equal to theta. So what we will get, x is equal to sine theta. I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, now x is equal to sine theta, then in place of this sine theta, can we write pi by 2 minus theta? This is clear to everyone. Pi by 2 minus cos pi by 2 minus theta is sine theta. You already know this concept. Okay, so we get this, x is equal to cos pi by 2 minus theta. Now shift this cos to the left side. So this will become what? Cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. Now here we will get cos inverse x, and this is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. In place of theta, what we can put this value. So we will get this one, sine inverse x. Now shift this sine inverse x to the left side. So you will get cos inverse x plus sine inverse x is equal to pi by 2. And here what we will get, sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So this is the proof of this one. Okay, so please remember sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2, and you already know this value of x. Okay. Similarly, tan inverse plus cot inverse will give you pi by 2. Similarly, third is sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x. Okay, so these are the pairs: sine inverse with cos, tan with cot, sec with cosec. So this will give you pi by 2. Okay, so we have done the proof of first part. Similarly, rest of the part we can do the proof like this only. So everyone, please note down this, confirm me, then we will do one more property. Okay, Atif, very good. Muzaffar, Saf, and Noma, please raise your hand if this is
1
fine.
minute.
Okay, Noma, good. Noma, this is done. Okay, good. Muzaffar and Saf.
Yes, done.
Okay, Muzaffar. Muzaffar, this is completed. Shall we start next? Okay, very good. Now next one. Next is next property fifth. This is the no, there's one more property after this. Okay, so next is we have this tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, which is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay, we will do the proof of this part. Proof. Let tan inverse x is equal to a. So we can say x is equal to tan a. Similarly, tan inverse y is equal to b. So we will get what? Y is equal to tan b. Please check here if you will put this property that tan a plus b is what? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Tan a into tan b. Now tan a plus b. So this will give us what? In place of this tan a plus tan b, we will put all the values. Tan a plus b is equal to, what is tan a? Tan a is x. What is tan b? Y. 1 minus tan a into tan b, that means x into y. Now shift this tan to the right side, so you will get what? A plus b is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Now what is a? A is, we have assumed here, a is what? Tan inverse x. What is b? B is tan inverse y. And this is equal to what? Tan inverse, it is equal to what? Tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay, x plus y by 1 minus xy. So this is the proof of the first part. So please remember that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse y by 1 minus, sorry, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Now similarly, if you will check the second formula, then we have tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. This is equal to tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. Okay, so please note down these two properties. Note down the proof of first. Similarly, you can do the second proof and confirm me. Then we will start some questions. Everyone, please confirm me. Please raise your hand if this is done so that we can start the questions. Okay, Noma, very good. Atif, Huzefa, Saf, please confirm if this is done. Atif, Huzefa, Saf, this is completed.
No, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Atif, very good. Huzefa and Saf, please confirm. Okay. Huzefa and Saf, shall we start next?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Huzefa, this done? Huzefa, very good, Huzefa. Next, this we will do later on. Okay, this property. Now this question, tan inverse 1 by 7 plus tan inverse 1 by 13 is equal to tan inverse 2 by 9. So we will check what's the formula we have. What's the formula? Formula is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Who can tell me this formula? Josefa, what is the formula for this one? Josefa, what is the formula for this? Tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay, so all of you please put this formula and confirm me if you will get this answer, tan inverse 2 by 9. Okay, please complete this. Okay, Atif, very good. Josefa, Saf, and Omar, please confirm once it is done. Okay, Saf, very good. Josefa and Omar. Okay, Josefa, good. Noma, this is done. Okay, very, very good. Now next one. Next is question number 2. Here you need to prove that this is equal to pi by 4. Okay, so what you need to do, first of all, please apply the formula here in these two. Then whatever the answer you're getting in terms of tan inverse, apply that formula with this one, tan inverse 1 by 8. Okay, please try to solve this. Josefa, you have raised your hand. So this is for second part. You have completed the second one. Okay, okay, okay. So everyone, please let me know once you complete the second one. Please let me know if anyone have a doubt in this second part. Okay. Very good, Atif. Very good. So, Zephyr, Saf, and Noma, please confirm. Okay. Okay, Noma, you're getting wrong answer. Then I will solve this. Okay. First of all, we'll put the formula in the first and second part. So you will get tan inverse 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 5. So you'll get here tan inverse. Okay, LCM is 5 plus 2 by tan minus 1 by tan. So this you will get tan inverse 7, tan will get cancelled out, okay? 7 by 9. Okay, so here we will get a tan inverse 7 by 9 plus, I missed the second part, tan inverse 1 by 8. So this is equal to tan inverse, so 7 by 9 plus 1 by 8 by 1 minus 7 by 9 into 1 by 8. So this is equal to tan inverse. Here you will get a 72. Okay, here 56 plus 9 by 72 minus 7 by 72. So this will get cancelled out. Here you will get a tan inverse 65 by, in the denominator you will get a 65, cancel this, so you will get tan inverse 1, which is equal to 5 by 4. Okay, so Josefa, Saf, and Noma, this is clear now. Josefa, Saf, and Noma. Okay, very good. Good, Noma. Josefa and Saf,
Yes,
this
sir.
clear? Okay, very good. Josefa, this clear? Okay, very good. So please, all of you, note down this and confirm me. Okay, raise your hand. Then we will start the next question. Okay, Noma, good. Josefa and Saf, this is done. Shall we start next? Josefa and Saf, shall we start next? Okay, Josefa. Saf, this is done. Saf, this is completed. Saf, I will assume your silence as yes. Okay, so I'm going to start next one. In case you miss anything, Saf, please let me know. Okay, so next, please try this question. Simply, you just need to simplify this one. Okay, so please try this. I will give you the hint if you will face any issue with this. The hint is, please match this one with your formula. Tan inverse x tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay, so you need to simplify this. So in this expression, please change this form into this form. Change this form into this form. Then we can simplify this one. Okay, so what we can do here we need 1. So Atif, can you tell me this numerator and denominator we need to divide with which value so that we will get a 1 here? Atif, can you tell me this numerator and denominator needs to be divided with what value so that we will get a 1 here? Anyone else? Zephyr, Saf, and Noma? Very good, Noma, with B. Okay, so we will divide this numerator and denominator with B. This by B, and this is B minus AX by B. So here what you will get, this is equal to tan inverse. Okay, here you will get A by B plus B will cancel out, so X by 1 minus A by B into X. So we get this one. Now please compare this with this part. Okay, so what we can write here, please check here. In place of X we have this, in place of Y we have this 1 minus. So we can write like this, tan inverse A by B plus tan inverse X, and in the bracket please write the same formula, this one. So here what we will get, tan inverse, we can write here tan inverse X plus tan inverse Y, and this is equal to tan inverse X plus Y by 1 minus XY. Okay, please raise your hand if this is clear to all of you. All of you, please raise your hand if this is clear. Okay, Atif, very good. Josefa, Saf, and Noma.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Josefa and Noma. Last step. Okay, Noma. Josefa. Okay, okay. So Noma, please check here. Here we have this formula, tan inverse X plus tan inverse Y is equal to tan inverse X plus Y by 1 minus XY. Okay, if we will compare this expression with this one, so what we will get here? Tan inverse, in place of X we have A by B, in place of Y we have X, and 1 minus A by B into X. So this is equal to what? Tan inverse A by B plus tan inverse X. Okay, we have compared this expression with this one. Okay, so everyone please note down this and raise your hand, then we will start next question. Everyone please raise your hand if it is done. Okay, Noma and Atif, good. Josefa and Saf, please confirm me if it is done. I will take your class for
Yes, sir,
9 more
done.
minutes. Okay, Saf, very good. I will take your class for 9 more minutes. Okay. Josefa, this is done. Shall we start next? Okay, Josefa, very good. Next one. This we will do later on. Okay. Again, this later on. Tan pi by 4. This also we will do later on. Okay, this is a very good question. 15th. So we will start from here. Please check here. Here you have a tan inverse X. Okay, and here you have a cos. So in place of this tan inverse, what we need? We need cos inverse. Okay, in place of this tan inverse, we need cos inverse so that we can put our formula. So what we will do in this case, we have used the same process in the beginning of the chapter. So we will assume let tan inverse X is equal to theta, and we will get tan theta is equal to X. Okay, so what we have done, we have shift this tan inverse to right side. We get the tan theta and is equal to X. Now, let this be theta. Okay. This is A, this is B, and this is C. This is theta. Now, what is the tan theta? Tan theta is perpendicular by base. And this is equal to what in this case? X by 1. So that means this perpendicular is X and this is 1. Now, who can tell me what is the hypotenuse in this case, in this triangle? Who can tell me what is the hypotenuse in this triangle? This is the last question, okay?
X plus 1.
Can you say
Square plus 1.
good 1 plus x squared? Good, no one is correct. Okay, now what we need here, we need cos inverse. Why we need cos inverse? Because here we have a cos. So cos theta we will find. Cos theta is what? B by h, base by hypotenuse. What is the base? 1. What is the hypotenuse? Under root 1 plus x squared. So here what we will get, then cos theta is this one. Then theta is what? Okay, let this be 1. Okay, then we have a cos theta which is equal to 1 by under root 1 plus x squared. And from this we will get theta which is equal to what? Cos inverse 1 by under root of 1 plus x squared. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, what we can say? Theta is equal to this one and theta is equal to this. So we can say that tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 by under root of 1 plus x squared. Okay, 1 plus x squared. Now, in place of this one, what we can write? We can write sine. Then we have this cot inverse. Then we have cos. And in place of this, we can write cos inverse 1 by under root of 1 plus x squared. So finally, what we will get here? This will give us what? Sine. Then cot inverse. And this cos and cos inverse will give us 1 by under root of 1 plus x squared. Okay. Now here we have a cot inverse, here we have a sine, so we need this in terms of sine inverse. Okay, so what we will do, we will draw one more triangle. Let this angle be phi. So what we will do, we will assume this, let cot inverse 1 by under root of 1 plus x squared is equal to phi. So here we will get cot phi is equal to 1 by under root of 1 plus x squared. This is clear to everyone. Atif, Huzaifa, Safan, and Noma. This is clear, or shall
Yes,
we
sir.
continue?
Yes, sir.
Shall we do this tomorrow? Okay. Okay, good then. We will do this right now. So we have this A, B, and C. Now, chord is what? Chord is base by perpendicular. So here, what the base we have? Base we have 1. Perpendicular is 1 by 1 plus x squared. Okay, then what will be the hypotenuse? This square plus this square. So this will give you 2 plus x squared. Okay, we need here what? Sine inverse. So sine will be what? Sine phi is equal to perpendicular. Perpendicular is under root 1 plus x square. I'm sorry, I don't have the space. By hypotenuse is 2 plus x square. If sine phi is equal to this, then phi is equal to sine inverse this one. Okay, so in place of this cot inverse, we can write sine, then sine inverse under root 1 plus x square by under root 2 plus x square. And this will give us what? Sine inverse. So this will give us 1 plus x square by 2 plus x square. This is clear to all of you. Please raise your hands. Atif, Huzaifa, Saf, and okay, Atif, very good. Huzaifa and Saf. Okay,
Yes,
no more
sir.
good. Okay, good. Huzaifa, this is clear. Huzaifa, this is clear. Okay, so all of you, please note down this. Okay, and confirm me. Then I will give you the homework and the class is over. Please raise your hand once it is done. Everyone, please raise your hands, okay, once it is done. Okay, Saf, very good. Atif, Huzaifa, and Noma, please let me know if it is done.
Done, sir.
Okay, that's good. Huzaifa and Noma, this is done. Okay, Noma. Okay, Huzaifa, good. Okay, Noma, very good. Okay, so just give me a minute.
Sir, can you show the homework, please? 1 minute.
Yes, I'm doing that. Just give me a minute. So your homework is again the same assignment. Okay, assignment 1. If you have not not done the homework, then I will give you from the scratch. Question number 1. This I have given in the last class. 2, 3. Okay, and question number 4. In question number 4, many questions we have already completed. Okay, so in 5th, then question number 5th, you need to do question number 1 to 3rd. Sorry, question number 2nd to 4th. Okay, first we have already done. Then in question number 6, question 6, only second part. First we have completed. Then in 7th, again only second part. Rest we have already done. Then question number 8, you need to do question 8. You need to do only second and third part. Okay. Then question number 9, only these. Okay. Please complete up to question number 8, and tomorrow we will try to complete this chapter. Okay. So thank you, everyone.
Sir, question number 4 also should do.
Yes, question number 1, 2, 3, 4 I have given in the last class. So if you have not completed, then please complete.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, then. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.